we're in a world of technology, and now with AI, you know, what's an old guy like me gonna do about that? And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hire younger, smarter people that can help me with it. But when it comes to building materials, there's actually a lot of innovation and technology right here in Utah. I remember when I first saw Holiday Lights, I was so excited. And since then, before putting some on this house here, I've looked at 4 or 5 different companies, and they all do great things with these lights. I finally, if I might put a plug in for a gentleman named Chris Hansen with Perma Lights, they had really sturdy looking lights, and their app to control these, it's really an infinite number of colors and sequences that you can do with these things. You can have them come on automatically at dawn and turn off automatically when it gets dark. It's just amazing. It's so much fun, and they can really make a house like this light up, you know, showing off the rock. And it's great when people are going in and out and they've got all this light out there on the driveway and sidewalks and stuff. So it's a fun, innovative thing. And at Rocktop, we're always looking for new, local, innovative people with new technologies that we can apply to whatever your needs might be or wants. So in reference to the holiday lights that were installed here that I was just talking about, when we came to this particular eave, the fascia was slanted back. We had to do a build out to make it solid, cover that up with the right color of aluminum, and then with that we were able to install these Perma Lights that you see here right now. They're actually angled in slightly, which just makes this whole wall glow, but everything had to be kind of coordinated between the gutters themselves and the soffit, and it turned out great. In my next video, we're going to transition from those lights to the gutters and the soffit.